Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to get unbanned on TikTok. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on cause we post videos like this in our channel. So to get notified for future videos, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start with today's video. So the reason on why you are banned on TikTok could be if you are doing like something wrong, like writing bad words on comment or posting videos that violates the TikTok's community guideline, or like you are liking and following other people's fast. Like if your behavior is comes under anything that violates the TikTok's community guideline, then it might be banned. And to unban this, basically you can go on me, and at the top right corner click on the three dots over here, and then scroll down until you find report a problem, and click on report a problem. And on report a problem, you can just go on account and profile, click on manage account, and on manage account you can click on hacked account, click on no, and then click on still have a problem, and you're gonna write a report over here. So like in this report, you're gonna tell that your account was hacked, and the person who hacked my account like followed a lot of person, commented this, posted this kind of video and kind of stuff like that. So like the people of TikTok, the staff of TikTok will view your problem and try to solve it from there. So they'll try to look into the problem on the type of report you write over here. So write the report carefully over here. So yeah, that's how you get your TikTok account unbanned. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.